Our wood-fired pizzas are definitely a powerhouse. Welcome to Dig in Buffalo, brought to you by Milk for Health. Our dough is a 24-hour ferment. So we mix and then shape and then let it rest for a full 24 hours in the cooler before we use it. We really like to say that we're somewhere between Neapolitan and a New York style, but for the most part, we are closer to that New York style, thinner crust, a little bit of a longer bake than a Neapolitan style. When Elm Street Bakery was started, they wanted to bake bread the European style, which is coal-fired. They made a 12-foot oven, which is unique for a pizza oven, but necessary for a bread oven. These are San Marzanos, and they are typically picked right from the vine and then canned, so they're like peak freshness. We have fresh mozzarella that we make in-house. So we buy the curd in and then stretch the mozzarella ourselves. It's kind of an extra step, but something that's necessary for better quality. We strive for quality, but we also strive for the ambiance and the feeling that you get when you are here. And it gets infectious in a way. People crave it, they want to be here, they want to be a part of it. Fresh basil from Root Down Farm. If you don't have even distribution of toppings, it's not a margarita. That's gonna be Elm Street Bakery's Margherita pizza.